Hello, I'd like to introduce the Farmer Mac barn for your wooden railway layout. This set comes with the barn, the silo, Farmer Mac and his tractor, the trailer, the hay, and some 4-inch track. Different things you can do with it is you can pull up the hay into the second level. Another thing is you can push the train through and open the doors. When you do it, it makes a song.
Hi there, I'm Farmer Mac. Welcome to my farm. Here on the farm we've got chickens, we've got pigs, we've got cows, and we've got ducks.
The last thing you could do with it is pull it through and make the hay come out of the silo. This set works great with the Thomas Wooden Railway and will add a lot of fun to your layout. Thank you for watching.